Hi folks, welcome back to Physics with Captain Rod. The purpose of this video is to just go through an example of how to solve rational expressions. So what we're looking at here, this is number 40 in section 7.5, and it's got a bunch of stuff to it. Our job here is to try to find x, and the first thing I'd probably do is kind of focus on this. Let's take a look at this and let's actually factor this down. This thing's got to factor into x plus something, x plus something. And I look over here now, factors of 12 are 12 and 1, 6, 2, 4, and 3, and then I notice there's a 7 here, so the 4 and the 3 are strong possibilities. And that's the correct factorization of x squared plus 7x plus 12. Now, hopefully you watched my previous video. As we look around here, if I multiplied both sides of this equation by x plus 3, that would kill this thing off. It would be gone. Over here, if I multiply by x plus 4, that would kill this thing off, and the x plus 4 would be gone. And the x plus 3, x plus 4 also would kill this entire thing, because that's what it's equal to. So that's the step we're going to want to do. We're going to want to multiply everything in this equation by x plus 4 times x plus 3. So if we do that, it's going to be a lot of writing, but I'm going to go ahead and write it all out. Here's the left-hand side. Again, multiplying by x plus 4 times x plus 3. And then we're going to take 12x plus 19 and multiply by x plus 4 times x plus 3. And again, that's over x squared plus 7x plus 12, but I'm going to write that in its factored form, x plus 4 times x plus 3. And then minus 5 times x plus 4 times x plus 3. Over x plus 4. It's a lot of writing to write it all out, but you really should do that. Then we're just going to, everywhere we can, we're going to cancel terms. So that thing is going to leave us with just 3 times x plus 4. Right? This guy right here, these are going to cancel. Now it's important to realize it's not the x's that are canceling. X plus 4 added together is a number, and this is the same number, and that's what we're canceling. And then right here, again, it's not the x's, it's the x plus 3 terms here that cancel, leaving us with just the 12x plus 19. Over on the right, these terms cancel, leaves us with just the 5 and the x plus 3. So we've now accomplished quite a bit here. We've got a much simpler equation that doesn't have any fractions. So let's see, distributing here I think will be a good thing to do. Then we look over here, let's see, 12x, maybe we can add these together. 12x minus 5x is 7x. And then 19, and then this is going to give us minus 15. That's going to give us plus 4. Let's move the 7x to the left by subtracting it from both sides. So now we're going to have negative 4x plus 12 equals 4. Let's then subtract 12 from both sides, and now we're going to have negative 4x equals negative 8. Last step is to divide both sides by negative 4, and we get 2 out of that. Right, the minuses, minus over minus is plus, and 8 over 4 is 2. So if there's an example of a rational expression, or solving an equation that's got a rational expression, I recommend using this fraction killer method. Just look at the denominators of all the different fractions and multiply by everything you need to get rid of all the denominators. Just make sure that you do everything. So example, this x plus 4, it's here, here, and here. The x plus 3 is here, here, and here. Anything you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other. So, give these problems in 7.5 a try. I'll be happy to answer questions about them on Wednesday when we meet again. However, I'll be also moving on and covering a couple more sections. So have a great day and hope you had a great weekend.